Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Well, that's the normally session I never end to see. This 1 month lockdown, it doesn't enter another jar. But before I release the update to you, there is something I want to show you. See, you need to reach out to us for all your ashobi, anything where you want for inside this store, your akara o gbogbo yen, everything dey inside. Just reach out to us and keep yourself busy, make yourself happy. You are next in line, so please sit back, listen to this video, watch everything that you have seen here, and reach out to us. Drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back. Jiggy once again for the Owosu fabric, where you can get all your ashobi wears, all your ceremonial wears, your george, your akara. The warehouse is so large, you won't regret it, and we deliver worldwide. Come and patronize us. What are you waiting for? Come and meet with the queen of fabric, Owosu Fabric International. Hurry now.
Everything concerning government of the zoo must shut down. If you are a government workers, we will advise you to comply with us. Otherwise, you have yourself to be regret or to be blamed. Everything about government will be shut down. Everything about government will be shut down. It won't function. Nigeria is no longer welcome in Biafra territory. For now, until the sovereignty of Biafra is being announced, then if Nigeria wish to come and shake hands with us and live in our territory, then the government of Biafra will rethink about that. But for now, the president is no longer welcome. Nigeria become an intruder in our territory, and you know what it means. We will fight blue and red to ensure that their presence is totally be deleted in the territory that belongs to us. We don't want to see any checking point. You know what it means. Barrack close, station close, secretariat close, government house close. And then if you say no, anything you see, you invite it. This bag we are serving you, and we tell you don't open this bag. Just hold it, don't open it. You say you want to open. When you open, anything you see, take them. We not there for long talk. We not there for too much grammar. We need Biafra, nothing but Biafra. And we told you that before we come, we were prepared 1,000 years. We have learned the mistake of our forefather. We have learned the mistake of our father. And we have come to correct those mistakes. We cannot afford to make any further mistake. Do you know why? Because we are not fighting this fight to leave it for our children to continue. This fight must end in our time. And as I always tell you, that this land of our ancestors, that hand over to our great father, that hand over to our father, that hand over to us, it is our responsibility to ensure that we hand over this great land of Biafra to our children without the presence of Nigeria, without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain, without any single problem of any type or disturbances of any type. or any kind of disturbances that will worry our children. And they will enjoy this land of Biafra in peace and in harmony. It is the oath we took. And Chukwokika Biama promising us that as long as our hands are clean, that which is rightfully belonging to us, that He will give it unto us as we desire. That it does not really matter how many our enemies are. No matter the ways then comes, they will fall before us. In our two eyes, we have seen the greatness of this Chukwokika Biama. And that gives us full assurance that what He promises us is able to do it. We fear no one. And so when we are telling you something, we tell you with boldness that this Biafra, after all your gra-gra, you see bow down for Biafra. Yes. And that is why when we are telling you something, we tell you with all assurance that you cannot stop Biafra. Don't start what you cannot end. Biafra is greater than you. You can't stop Biafra. Go and do consultation. Have you people, are you so blind? Go and do alpha. Go and do find out before you start fighting. When you do find out, the spirit will tell you, don't go. Don't go. That way is no-go area. The people you want to fight, you can't defeat them. The people you want to fight, you cannot defeat them. Don't go. Yes, we are undefeatable. But some of you say, no, do juju for me. I want to destroy them. That is why I'm asking you this question. Were you born into the land of Biafra, or were the land of Biafra born into you, for those saboteurs? And you that think that the children of Biafra deserve to be hanged, are you the one that own your life? Are you unkillable, undiable, undeadable? Yes, I'm asking you. You will go far and near to do juju. Say you won't carry juju, so that wetin you tell the juju go do. And you tell juju, say, you are going to the land of Biafra to kill the children of Biafra. May juju stand with you. No enter. Then you land. And the juju man do finish, tell you, give you 100% assurance. Tell you, say, this my juju no dey fail. Make I ask you question. You know they fail now for another person property. You know they fail. Is it for another person property? When you do juju for your right, it go work. When you do juju for another person right, e no go work. That is why when you come down without your juju, you still die. Do you know why? Because the land of the rising sun get the highest juju. If ordinary fowl go wrestling with sky because he came to carry him pikin, if ordinary you, wey be human being, no go gree make person come into your house and carry your pikin to go kill, wetin you think say our ancestors that have already become spirit will do to you, who come into their land to kill their children? Do you think they will allow you to go scot-free? You do not know anything. But let me remind you what you have easily forgotten. This is what you are easily forgotten. Let's go back and rewind your memories more. Do you remember this word? I will draw your soldier from north, from west. I will draw your soldier down to east. And in the east, they will all die. And those that will be lucky to escape and run back home, they will have no home. The same way you displace us, our ancestors, the same way you displace them, the same way you will be displaced. Terrorists will take over your home. The whole northerners and west will be overwhelmed. That will be lucky somehow to escape death from the land of Biafra will run exile. They will not have home where they will call home. It's a prophecy that must fulfill. Some of you did not understand this. That Nigeria will be destroyed to the grain. And remember, until the name Nigeria is totally be deleted from the world map, the spirit of our ancestors will never rest. So therefore, if you are one who are still doubting the coming of Biafra, so I am here to tell you that we will never give up. So be it. We do not owe anybody apology why we are doing what we are doing. We make ourselves very clear and we tell you we do not need anything from anybody. Only one thing we need is Biafra. Give us Biafra and save life. That is all. But if you say we should take it by force, so be it. We are not afraid to take it by force and be reassured that we taking it by force. Go and ask Nigeria soldier what you mean us taking it by force. Oh, listen to Asari Dokubo as he's begging you. Say, let them go. He's begging you because Asari Dokubo have tested. He have tested. He's a pig. He have tested. He knows what we are made up of. He knows what we are capable of. A lot of you know what we are capable of. As I told you earlier, that three things is not in our dictionary. Three things. One, not going back. Never to give up. One, we can never give up on this quest. Two, we do not forgive our enemy. No forgiveness. Three, we can never forget anybody who do good or do bad for this struggle. Three things. We can never retrieve. We can never surrender. We can never forgive. We can never forget. So therefore, if you think that time will come where we will abandon this great cause, you are joking. Should I tell you why we can never surrender? I want to refresh your memory to small. In front of us, we lost brother. In front of us, we lost sister. In front of us, we lost friends. In front, in our very eye, we lost good neighbor. In our very eye, we lost father. We lost mother. We lost brother. We lost Nigerian police, Nigerian Air Force, Nigerian custom, Ebubaku, and in Nigerians have killed innocent Biafrans. And many of them, before they give up their last breath, they make a wish. They make a wish, just one wish. And should I tell you that wishes? Many of them, at the point of giving up, they will make just one request. Never give up on this quest until you give me Biafra. Get me Biafra. And let me ask you, what make you think that we will not grant them their requests? What make you think that we will not grant them their requests?
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.